So here we are in super sunny Tuy Hoa, and we got 3 missions for the day.
Laundry, wash the bikes, and coffee. Let's go!
Want to experience, explore and travel Vietnam from the comfort of your home? Then click subscribe and join our tribe.
So we're bright up and early today. Last night we did some Googling and we found one laundry place in Tuy Hoa. But when we got there this morning it was shut, so we're going to have to regroup on that one. Thankfully the bike wash place that we found on Google is actually where it says it is. And luckily for us, we turned around and on the other side of the road was Money Cafe. So we figured we'd come in and do our third thing for the day, which was the coffee. But we spotted a familiar favorite, which is the banh mi opla. So we've decided to have some breakfast, enjoy that, and then figure out the laundry later on.
So we're not sure if this is what you're supposed to do with this dish, but it's called banh mi opla. This looks more like a banh mi to me. So that's what I do. Let's see how it tastes. These eggs are good because they're still quite runny. I love runny yolk. The bread soaks it up and makes the bread so much more yummy. There's a meatball in there, which I have cut up and spread around. It's really, really peppery. This is much better than the pate you'd normally get. And these guys gave us like a polony sausage, more so than the pork roll we would usually get at other places. And I gotta say, I prefer that a lot more. Oh, okay. Awesome. That's very good. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Bikes are all clean, ready for another adventure. And now we've got to go try and find a laundromat. Success. A little bit of driving around, just looking for those words. Saw one sign as we came up here. And a little bit of a clue with some washing hanging on the side of the street. Dropped it in, he reckons 2 hours, 30,000 dong. It was 3 kgs of washing, so 10,000 dong a kg. That's awesome. Tash just shot back to the hotel. She's got some work she's got to try and knock off. So I'm just taking a bit of a wander around Tuy Hoa. Found this little park, and it's completely empty. Just like everywhere else in Vietnam, it's when it's sunny outside, locals do their best to avoid the sun, so you get all these areas to yourself. I've just got back to the hotel with the washing. That work, I said Tash had gone back to the hotel to do. Just in case any of you thought perhaps Tash had a 9 to 5 online job, not the case. Her work was to wash our riding gear. Mine's not looking too bad at all.
That's because I'm good at it.
Oh, you're good at it, are you? How many times have you done this before?
I wash clothes all the time, Vicky.
Oh. Who was doing all the washing back in Brisbane?
The unemployed bum.
I don't know why I love you. Always giving me stick. So let's check with the boss. What's the verdict on the laundry?
Oh yeah, it's all good.
It's all good.
Just having a deck chair moment in Tuy Hoa, waiting for the sun to go down.
At your Jamesy boy experiment.